Let's dive into how to utilize the Snowflake optimization dashboard in Paradime's Radar suite. This robust tool aims to assist you in reducing costs while preserving optimal performance in your Snowflake environment. Let's take a closer look at the key features. The initial information you'll notice is the potential annual savings that you can achieve by using Paradime's Snowflake cost optimization features, as well as the total savings accrued to date. You'll also see a visualization of your estimated spend after savings, current savings, and estimated savings by employing additional optimization features. Moreover, this chart can be filtered by two optimization types, and the number of visible days can be expanded. Now let's look into the first cost optimization feature, the Warehouse AI Autoscaler. This AI-powered tool operates 24/7, analyzing your usage patterns and automatically resizing your individual warehouses. It adapts to the time of day and utilization patterns, ensuring peak efficiency at all times. You don't have to worry about performance drops. Our conservative approach maintains query performance while optimizing costs. To activate the Warehouse AI Autoscaler feature, simply review the potential savings and then click the toggle to enable it. Moving on, let's examine the second optimization feature, the Warehouse AI Agent Optimizer. This feature is particularly beneficial for BI tools in reporting warehouses, helping you reduce unnecessary idle time. Similar to the Autoscaler, simply analyze the potential savings of each warehouse and use the toggle to enable it. As your dbt project and data warehouses expand, use the Radar cost optimization features as needed. Remember, Snowflake's cost optimization is all about empowering you. You're in control, with AI-driven tools providing the insights you need to make informed cost-saving measures.